In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the quiz score in Google Forms. 5 minutes. First, open Google Drive in your browser. This is your starting point for all Google Workspace tools. From here, look for the Apps area and open Google Forms. You can also access Forms directly if you have it bookmarked, but starting from Drive helps keep everything organized in one place. Once Forms is open, select the form you want to use as a quiz. If you already have a quiz created, click it to open the editor. If it's a regular form, that's okay. You can still manage how scores are released as long as answer keys are set for auto-graded question types, like multiple choice, checkboxes, and drop-downs. Now head to Settings in the top menu of the form editor. In Settings, locate the section that controls how grades are released. Choose the option to release grades immediately after each submission. This ensures that as soon as someone submits their responses, they can see their score right away. If you prefer to review answers first, there's a later option, but for this walkthrough, we'll use immediate release so respondents get instant feedback. While you're here, it's a good idea to confirm that the form is set up to show missed questions, correct answers, and point values if you want respondents to see those details. Apply your changes. Make sure the form is published and then save. This locks in your settings so they apply to everyone who uses the form. Next, grab the responder link. Use the option to copy the responder link and then click Copy. This gives you a shareable URL that takes people straight to the live form. Send that link to your respondents using your preferred method, email, chat, or posting it in your learning platform. From the respondent's perspective, they'll open the link, answer the questions, and click Submit. Because you set grades to release immediately, they'll see a prompt to view score right after submitting. When they click View Score, Google Forms shows their total points along with a question-by-question breakdown. Auto-graded questions will be scored instantly, and any feedback you added to answer keys will appear here as well. And that's it. You went from your Drive to Forms, adjusted the release settings, copied and shared the responder link, and verified how respondents can submit and instantly view their score. This simple setup is perfect for quick quizzes, self-checks, and instant feedback workflows.